How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off sleep mode of Instagram on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that Instagram itself doesn't have a pre-built-in feature for sleep mode. If you are seeing any restriction like limited notification or dreamed appearance, you could have a focus mode on your iPhone. Simply you'll have to just turn off that. For that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and simply tap on focus. From here, make sure you have not turned on any focus mode like do not disturb or any personal. Simply tap on that. After that, from here, you'll have to just scroll down and tap on delete focus or you'll have to just turn off that. After you delete or turn off that focus mode, you'll be able to turn off sleep mode or any kind of disturbance on your Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.